Hey everybody.
Hey. We are back again with the Robb Vices box. For those who don't know, Robb Vice is sort of a luxury box that always sends you like tech and alcohol. A basic monthly subscription is $129 per box. A 3 month subscription is $119 per box, totaling about $360. A 6 month box is $109 a box, totaling $660, and for 1 year is $99.95 a box, totaling $1,200 a year. So I'll have all the prices in the description below. But this is their November box, and it's Mexican inspired.
Ooh,
I feel like we had a no, we had a Greek. Yeah, we had a Greek box like one time,
alright.
and we both loved that Greek box.
Yeah. So
So let me say, I opened it ahead of time, and I'm glad I did because this bottle, if I can get the label in there, I'm never good at this. Leslie's better at this. This one was leaking. And I will say that's a fluke for them because their packages never really leak for someone that always has alcohol in their boxes. This one was
not much though.
not much.
This is one that it has not leaked, and you see, there's not much of a difference.
Yeah, and I will say that the packaging they put it in was so absorbent that the box never was wet. It was just the padding on the inside that was wet. And the only time I ever knew was that when as soon as I opened it up and I could smell it. So there's three versions of that alcohol. It is the we're gonna hold it up for you. So this one's packed, and there's stuff.
And you see this? These are shot glasses,
Yes.
and we just want to show you the packaging, but we'll tell you guys exactly what
So
this is.
the foam part is the part that got wet. Everything else stayed dry. That was nice.
All right. So in this little boxy, we got these cute little shot glasses.
Yes.
They're glass.
So those are the Cocktail Kingdom Val- Veladora shot glasses. They're $229 each. You get three of them, so that's $660 in your box. And they're a nice weight, and they have a little cross on the bottom. And I will say that's because once you hit the bottom, you probably gonna need a little Jesus in your life because it got real. It got real.
All right. So, this is Mezcal Illegal. Illegal.
Yes.
And Anejo.
Go ahead, your Spanish good. And that's Anejo. Is different because it's been aged for 1 to 3 years. And this is different because tequila is typically produced by steaming the agave inside industrial ovens before being distilled 2 or 3 times in a copper pot. When mezcal, on the other hand, is cooked inside earthing pits that are lined with lava rocks and filled with wood and charcoal before being distilled in clay pots. So this is usually more expensive than tequila because it takes more to make. And the anejo is $59.99. So this bottle right here is $60.
And they have little cork situation. It looks extremely difficult. I'm not good with corks. I always end up with the cork in the bottle. This is the same illegal, but this is the buddy, preset. Okay, this is the exact same thing.
It's different.
Oh, this is the anejo, right? This is the reposada.
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 Yeah. And that means rested in oak for more than 2 months, but less than a year.
Okay, so the anejo has been sitting for a year, and then
this is more than 2 months, but less than a year. And so that's why you can tell the different color changes. This one's darker. This one's lighter.
Yeah. Okay. Good stuff. And then Joven.
I'm sorry,
Joven.
Yes. Which means young, which is clear and unaged.
Well, good thing that's the one that's spilled.
Right. So this one is $24.99, which is the Jove. The Repasado is $34.99, and the Añejo is $59.99. So you get all three that you could try it out and figure out how you like your mezcal aged.
Is this white chocolate then?
Yes.
Yum. So y'all know I'm a chocolate fiend. I see a little chocolate situation. So it looks like the garnish, which was this, a tangerine?
So it's blood orange. It's hard to read because it's white on white right here. So that's why she's kind of like having a hard time reading. It's white on white. But this is, if you turn it this way, it is
okay.
blood orange slices with chocolate cream.
Okay.
And the blood orange slices are, it's $2.49 for that pack. $2.49. Sorry, they don't put the prices in their booklet, so I had to look it up beforehand for you guys so I can give you the price.
Yeah, so the garnish, you know, it's hard. You break it off in the drink. So now you got a little white chocolate on it. All right. So then they also give you a Southern Artisan small batch of slow roasted stone ground chocolate.
Yes, and this is in the Mexican style cinnamon chili chocolate bar. I kind of want to pop that open and see what it tastes like.
I would love to pop this open and see what it tastes like.
Yes. So while she's opening up, this bar is valued at $7.50.
It looks like a Pop-Tart. they got it in a little Pop-Tart situation. Okay.
Yes. So $7.50 for a bar of chocolate, but it's Mexican chocolate. So we're gonna see what the Mexicans know about their chocolate.
We'll see what this is hidden on. Okay. Well, and it's broke like this, but it's like one of these little situations.
It's pre-broke.
Yeah. I'm just gonna. Dark chocolate with a little crisp in it. With a dash of spice.
I like it. So you don't get a spice until you swallow the chocolate. You feel that little kick in. Yeah. Y'all Mexicans know y'all chocolate. I'm down for this. Because usually dark chocolate is really like just blah, but you got that little kick to it. Now I want to melt this down and put in some hot chocolate. That be beast mode.
Right.
Okay.
We got bunches and bunches. Smoked.
Yeah, I can. Oaxacan. If you know how to pronounce it, let me know.
Oaxacan, whatever. Mole sauce.
Mole? Was it mole?
Mole sauce. I wonder, what do you put it on?
Let's read, see what it says.
Just so y'all can Google it or whatever.
I'll put it in the description below.
Okay.
So it says on the back, as with all our goods and treats, love is the most precious ingredient. Every batch of smoked mole sauce is perfect combination of flavor and spice. Smoked made with pasillas, pasillas de, that old word again, is full of bunches and bunches of love. This unique sauce is inspired by a passion vested in flavors of real Mexican cuisine. Bring authentic flavors and taste. Becomes on the table. I think on the book I read you can like put it on nachos.
Once I taste it, I'm gonna know what to go on. Do the pat the bottom. You know how they get that.
Oh my God.
Well,
why am I mad at this?
No, you're not. I mean, I probably won't get it open either. Just gotta put the pressure on top, which didn't work. We should have. You know, you could like do a pressure hole if you want. You want to do a pressure hole?
Yeah, let's do a pressure hole. There we go. Oh my gosh, I still can't open it.
Yeah, it's hard, y'all. Okay, she got it.
Pressure hole work.
Pressure hole always work, baby. The pressure hole gonna work. I think my mom told me that trick. I'm pretty sure.
I think every can of pickles had a stab hole in it growing up.
Right. So it looks like this.
And it's runny.
It is runny. That's why I'm very careful. It does look like chip sauce. I don't know. We love that. It's salsa. They said all of that for salsa. Salsa ain't on here.
It reminds me of that stuff you get at Chili's. Yeah, that red sauce you get at Chili's.
It tastes like the chili salsa. Yep.
Yep. So chips, hot dogs, tacos.
Hot dog.
I would put this stuff on some hot dogs and some chili and some beans.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Okay. It's gonna be it.
Okay. Well,
like that. Yes, I actually like this sauce. This is good sauce.
Wait to get some chips. And then last but not least,
and this bottle is $13.
Okay.
It's not cheap.
And then we just have some mango margarita dried fruit jerky.
Yes. And the dried fruit jerky is valued at $6 for this pack of lovely, lovely jerky.
This is the Watermelon Road brand. So I don't like dried fruit, but I'm gonna just taste it.
I love dried fruit.
No, I just don't.
I try to trick myself and think I'm eating real fruit, but in reality, you're just eating sugar.
So it's this.
In reality, all you're doing is eating sugar, but you try to tell yourself, hey, I'm eating fruit and I'm being healthy.
Okay. Okay, mango's all right.
Yeah.
And they got a little spice on it too, but I'm not tripping.
No.
Okay.
It's one of the things like it's delayed spice.
Right.
Just like the chocolate candy.
Well, I like this box. Did you want to taste the alcohol? Did you want to taste the alcohol?
If you do, we can take the one that's already leaking. If not, we can just leave it as is. You don't want it? Okay.
We don't want y'all. If y'all done seen the video, y'all know we don't drink. So we probably don't horrible.
Where's Nicole when we need her?
Right. We would be the most horrible judge anyway. So
right.
It wouldn't matter what we said. Had we drank it, whatever we said to you wouldn't have made sense anyway. So
first we would have choked.
Right. We would have choked. You know. We're not drinkers, so
don't.
We apologize for not drinking the alcohol, but like I said, we wouldn't be able to tell you.
And I got a feeling we're not supposed to drink just straight. I got a feeling we're supposed to mix it with something.
I'm a straight drinker. If I'm a drink, I don't drink at all. But when I do, I'm like, I just want to get it over with. Just give it to me straight, cause the taste I can't. So I love this box.
This box
gives
is
you
great.
Three
different
different drinks
with 3 different shot glasses.
That's a drink.
So you can line up your Joven, your Repasado, and your Añejo.
Oh, you got a good memory.
And go shot for shot.
Yeah.
And just chase them suckers, and then like I said, you got the cross on the bottom.
Tequila? Don't give me that.
No, it's a little bit different to tequila because of the way it's made. It takes a lot more work to make mezcal than it does to make tequila.
And
that's why this is more expensive.
Well, so we have this aged over a year. This aged over 2 months. This baby. This salsa. Spicy salsa. 3 shot glasses. Nice little expensive chocolate bar. Y'all saw that. And don't forget the garnish with the white chocolate on it. And even more garnish. I believe you could just eat. This is the hard crunchy. This is the, soft chewy.
Yes. So all in all, this box came to $159.56. Of course, if you bought it for over a year, you got more savings. But still, I like this box. I liked it better than the last one. I like it as much as the Greek
This is
one.
my favorite one.
Even more than the Greek?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is her favorite box.
The Greek came with that big old sausage.
It did come with a big old sausage. It did come with a big old sausage. I'm going to let that joke go. But. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it only garnish?
No, it's good. We tasting the garnish with the white chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna put this in nothing. I can eat this time.
I'm eating that straight.
Right.
That's something I'm eating straight.
Right.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I'm experiencing some things right now.
Right.
But let us know what you guys think below. Was this box worth it? Do you like the box? Like, comment, and subscribe below. I'll be putting pictures up on Instagram as well as everything that's included and the price list in the comments below. So, as always, in life, there's black and white. But with us, you get a
shade of gray. Y'all see what we got going on?